I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Triton headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving and preventing glare for others. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket or spanner. Also, grab some masking tape, a tape measure, and a level. Find a flat, level surface, like a driveway, with a clear wall about 10 to 25 feet away. Before making any adjustments, proper vehicle preparation is key. Park your Triton on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank has its usual amount of fuel. Gently bounce the vehicle a few times to settle the suspension. Then, use masking tape to mark the center of each headlight and the vehicle's center on the wall. Now let's find those adjusters. Open your hood and look behind each headlight assembly. You will typically find 2 screws per headlight. One screw adjusts the beam vertically, moving it up or down, while the other controls horizontal movement, left or right. Turn on your low beams and observe the light pattern on the wall. The top edge of the brightest part of your beam should ideally sit about 2 inches below your marked headlight center. With your marks as a guide, begin fine-tuning. Use your screwdriver or socket to turn the vertical adjustment screw, raising or lowering the beam until it meets your target. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam pattern. Repeat this for the other headlight, aiming for a symmetrical light output. Finally, take your Triton for a night drive to confirm the adjustments. Ensure your headlights provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.